Alright guys, I just picked up this GMC Yukon for a couple bucks and we're gonna clean it up and see how bad it is. As you can see, it's covered in algae and mold and I can't really tell if there's any damage to it really. So, without further ado, let's get to a little less talk and a lot more action and see how it turns out. You know it's been sitting for a while. It's literally got stuff growing out of the bumper. It's pretty moldy and algae. I'll have to see how it cleans up. Now, as you guys can see, it turned out pretty nice actually. Cleaned up very well. Of course, the hood lost all its paint, but that's kind of typical for GM white. So that's good. Now to post some pictures of it and start stripping it down for parts. Actually, one of my buddies got a hold of me and was like, "Hey, why don't you just put a motor in that thing and start driving it?" Well, it needs more than a motor. It needs an end transmission, and someone cut the exhaust and the main engine harness. So it's not really worth putting back together, but good Southern rust-free parts will make somebody happy.